All right, so the reveal of Genzilla Supercharged is here. All right, so here we go. So 2022, what I've done is jailbroken Genzilla Supercharged to look a little bit different for 2022. When I first got this car in 2020, of course it was all white. It had the original Hellcat hood. And what I did was in about, I think January, actually it was about February or March of 2020, right before this this pandemic started. Dennis, the guy who wrapped this car today, or wrapped it a few days ago, wrapped my car back then, basically 2 years ago, the original Hellcat hood in satin black. All right, so I went with a satin black hood back then, a satin black roof, and a lot of you guys that have been following my channel, that have been subscribed to my channel for a long time, know that I took off that decal, this blue decal right here, and made it black. All right, later on I got the mirrors wrapped in black, and then later on I got the rims basically changed the gloss black, and I changed the calipers to red. All right, so I wanted to go with this new 2021 Hellcat hood. I'm going to be starting these upgrades soon. This hood does allow the engine to perform better. All right, that's why Dodge changed the hood in 2021. They made this scoop wider, and they made the extractors closer up to the windshield, and they are bigger. You know, they measure about the same, but they definitely look bigger by the eye. What I wanted to do was change this car up a little bit. Instead of going black with this new hood, like I did before with the satin black, I wanted to go with an actual satin white. What Dennis just did was he actually used a transparent expel film. All right, so it is PPF. It's a transparent film. When you put it on any color, what it does is it gives it that matte or satin look. So it's not really a vinyl like I was thinking, all right, like how I had in my mind initially that I wanted him to do, but he knew exactly what to do. I'm gonna put his Instagram and everything in the description of this video. He's at J&B Body Works, my body shop. As you guys know, J&B Body Works did the painting of the hood, the original paint, and then Dennis wrapped it. From what I can see right now, the lines are decent. This front has a little gap, but it's okay, it's not that bad. But on both sides, they did a great job at getting this hood as even as possible. As we all know, Dodge is not known for their great, you know, panel gaps, or, you know, whatever you want to call it, or, you know, having them so precise. You know, and of course, I tinted the windshield 20% so it can make up for the not black hood that I was going with. When you're in the car, it has a different experience. When you look out from the driver's seat, you can see this actual extractor a lot better. Before, the extractors were closer up here. All right, now they're close up to the windshield. They were close to the front before, now they're close to the driver when you're in the actual driver's seat, so it looks incredible. Big thanks to Joe Jr., Joe Sr., of course, and Mike number 2, Mike number 3 at J&B Body Works for doing an incredible job. And of course, Dennis, their guy who wraps. I went to Lorenzo's today. As you know, Lorenzo, he does pretty much most of my wrapping in my car, and he looked at Dennis's work and said this guy is damn good. So coming from a guy like Lorenzo that's been doing this 30+ years, and you know, when he says, you know, a guy is good, trust me, he knows what he's talking about. So Dennis is next level when it comes to you know, wrapping also. Now Dennis will do, of course, the color PPF and any colors that you want as far as PPF or any color film. Lorenzo, he will just do the clear PPF. So those are my guys. I'll put both contact infos in the description of this video, so check them both out and tell them MDG sent you. So the next step will be to see when my dealership is ready to go with these with this direct connection, and see if I can get these upgrades, the first upgrade, try to get more power in this car. You know, I appreciate all the support, all the new subscribers. Make sure you subscribe, turn that bell on.